Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Glass Wall Systems India Limited. We are a premium facade solutions and fenestration provider in India and across markets in the United States and Australia. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Glass Wall Systems India Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated September 5, 2025. Glass Wall Systems India Limited IPO consists of a fresh issue of equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each, aggregating up to 600 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up to 40,234,552 equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each. The offer for sale comprises the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholders, promoter group selling shareholder, and investors selling shareholders in the IPO, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Glass Wall Systems India Limited was incorporated on August 27, 2010 with its registered and corporate office at Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. We are the second largest provider of facade solutions in India in terms of revenue in fiscal 2025 and fiscal 2024. Source: Ken Report. We are also India's largest facade exporter in 2024 in terms of revenue. Source: Ken Report. With over 2 decades of experience in the facade solutions industry, we have successfully completed over 150 projects as of March 31, 2025, showcasing our expertise in delivering innovative solutions. The Ken Report has been exclusively commissioned and paid for by us to enable the investors to understand the industry in which we operate in connection with the offer. The facade and fenestration sector serves as the critical interface between a building's interior and its external environment, combining advanced materials, precision engineering, and architectural design to deliver both form and function. Source: Ken Report. Facade solutions are integral components of modern architectural design, encompassing the exterior cladding of a building. Source: Ken Report. Fenestration refers to the openings in the building envelope, such as windows, doors, and skylights, which allow natural light, ventilation, and physical connectivity between indoor and outdoor environments. Our operations are categorized into 3 main verticals: domestic facade solutions, international facade product supply, fenestration solutions. We provide our products and services to a range of real estate developers, hospitals, airport authorities, general contractors, and corporate clients involved in developing commercial, residential, and institutional properties across India, as well as facade contractor companies and general contractors in the United States and Australia. We maintain long-standing relationships with our clients, and our association with several key clients such as Bagmane, K. Raheja, and Prestige spans over 7 years and extends up to 11 years in certain cases, reflecting the strength and stability of our partnerships. Our project portfolio showcases our expertise in delivering solutions for a variety of construction projects, including residential buildings, commercial complexes, information technology, IT parks, hotels, and hospitals. Our primary manufacturing facility is located at Vilebhagad, Maharashtra, Vilebhagad facility, on a land parcel at measuring 101,299 square meters. Our Vilebhagad facility is spread across a developed area of 20,295 square meters, and we are currently in the process of expanding our Vilebhagad facility over an additional area of 18,211 square meters. We have a project management team of more than 44 professionals, supported by 37 supervisors as of March 31, 2025, which ensures efficient and timely project execution. As of March 31, 2025, we have successfully completed over 150 projects since inception. Investors should note the following important risks. Our business is dependent on certain key clients, and our top 10 clients contributed 84.29%, 93.79%, and 91.97% of our revenue from operations in fiscals 2025, 2024, and 2023 respectively. The loss of one or more of these clients could have an adverse effect on our business prospects, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. We depend on a limited number of suppliers, and we do not have long-term agreements with our suppliers for our raw materials, and volatility in raw material prices and shortages or disruption in their supply could adversely affect our business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. We derive 46.86%, 46.79%, and 6.52% of our revenue from operations from overseas operations based on the criteria set out in IND AS 108 operating segments in fiscals 2025, 2024, and 2023 respectively. Any adverse events in these jurisdictions could have an adverse impact on our business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. If we fail to integrate or manage acquired companies or businesses efficiently, our overall profitability and growth plans could be adversely affected. We derive a portion of our revenue from our domestic facade business, which accounted for 53.14%, 53.21%, and 93.48% of our revenue from operations in the fiscals 2025, 2024, and 2023 respectively. Any decline in demand for our domestic facade services could have an adverse impact on our business, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. The promoters of our company are Jawahar Hariram Hemrajani and Ishan Jawahar Hemrajani, who collectively hold 44,241,232 equity shares, representing 52.26% of the pre-offer issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of our company. 35.89% of the pre-offer issued, subscribed, and paid-up equity share capital of the company is held by public shareholders. As on the date of the DRHP, our company has 2 public shareholders. 100% of the pre-offer paid-up equity share capital of the company is held by the selling shareholders, who are selling up to 40,234,552 equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each. Our board has 6 directors, of whom 2 are executive directors, 1 is a non-executive director, and 3 are non-executive independent directors, including 2 women non-executive independent directors. Company's revenue from operations for fiscal 2025, 2024, and 2023 was 2,447.61 million rupees, 2,821.71 million rupees, and 2,405.11 million rupees respectively. The EBITDA margin percentage for fiscal 2025, 2024, and 2023 was 23.73%, 15.30%, and 4.93% respectively. Investors are advised to read sections titled Restated Consolidated Financial Information, Pro Forma Financial Information, and Standalone Financial Statements of Material Subsidiary, beginning on page 323, 380, and 388 of the DRHP for more financial information. There are outstanding litigation proceedings involving our company and our subsidiaries. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments beginning on page 475 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards funding the following objects: funding capital expenditure requirement for setting up of glass processing unit, GPU unit, as part of planned backward integration of the company at our Vile Bhagad facility, and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional bidders, NIBs, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares are proposed to be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited, IIFL Capital Services Limited, formerly known as IIFL Securities Limited, and Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the issue unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated September 5, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoter and the selling shareholder are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the issue for making any investment decision.